Hi everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be unboxing these 4 puzzles from the cubicle. Quick cut from the video telling you to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications if you haven't already. We upload videos every second day, so it doesn't hurt to just press the subscribe button and help the channel out. Alright, let's get back to the video. So here we have 3 Xman cubes. The Vont 2M square one is actually my very first square one, so I'm very excited for this. We have the Xman Bell Pyraminx. Unfortunately, I only got the V1 because V2 didn't come out yet when I placed the order, but it is what it is. We have the Xman wingy Skewb. That's it for the Xman cubes. And here we have a budget 4x4 from YJ called the YJ Yusu V2M. So, since this is my first square one, I'm very excited for this, so I'm going to take a look at this one first. Alright, it's wrapped in plastic. Let's get this open. Alright, this is the cube, and all that's in the box is the pamphlet. And then we get 1 spring and 1 washer. That's interesting. So this is my first square one, so I don't really know how this turns. Interesting. So this is magnetic, so that's pretty good first square one. Oh, this is cool. It can... Alright, this is my first square one, so I don't really know what to expect. But apparently this is the best one, so... I'll look at it more later, but this feels pretty nice. Alright, on to puzzles I've actually felt before. A 4x4. So this is the Yusu V2M. Alright, it's also wrapped in plastic, and it comes with the pamphlet that everyone reads. Alright, this is the cube. Oh, okay. So right now my main for 4x4 is the Maylong, and this is unmagnetized. But this definitely isn't as smooth out of the box. I had to lube it a lot. But what I think about this one is the corner cutting for reverse. Yeah, it's only a little bit, and it takes a lot of effort, while for the budget 4x4 Maylong, it's also only a little bit, but it takes like a lot less effort. I'll definitely be making a comparison with these two. But let's talk about the size. So the Maylong for me is a really good size. I usually don't like big cubes, but yeah, I think it might be like 2-3 millimeters. Let's try PLL parity. Yeah, very locky. Yeah, once again, reverse corner cutting isn't that good. Yeah. That could just be because this is out of the box and I set this out, lubed it, tensioned it. But yeah, I'll definitely be making a review on this and also comparing it to this. But yeah, let's move on. So here we have the Xman Bell. This is my first magnetic Pyraminx. Looks like we get some extra magnets and no pamphlet. That's good. Let's do some turns. Oh wow, this is very quiet and smooth. The magnets are actually quite strong on this. It's a bit locky, but that's fine because it has smooth turning. I like this a lot. Definitely not a Pyraminx expert, but this is really smooth and quiet, kind of like the Tengyun 3x3 and 2x2. But kind of different. I don't know. I like this a lot. This is definitely becoming my main because my former main wasn't even magnetic. But that's not saying much. Let's move on. So here we have the Xman wingy Skewb. It looks like we got this nice case. No plastic wrapping, that's good. And then we have a pamphlet, which is bad. Let's just throw that there. And let's do some turns on this. Sledgehammer. Fairly easy. A bit locky, but that's with basically any Skewb. Apparently this is the best Skewb on the market, next to the Moyu Skewb. I think this one's considered better. But you can see the Xman logo there on white, facing red. Yeah, I won't be doing any solves because this is not the full review. But when I make a full review for this, maybe not the square one, I'll make a full review for all of these, except square one, because I don't even know how to solve square one. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit the like button, comment down what you want me to do, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.